Welcome back, friends. In today's video is a review of the Katzco Furniture Repair Set. I needed to cover up some of the scratches on my hardwood floors from my furniture not having feet pads on them. So I ordered this little set. It's a 13-piece set which includes 6 repair markers, 6 wax crayons, and 1 crayon sharpener. The colors are all varied, which I love, and it was inexpensive, which I loved even more. Now let's get started. There's 6 colors to choose from, but I chose the cherry because it matches my hardwood perfectly. I did not use the crayon because my scratches is only surface level. It's not real deep. These little pins are working great. The little nick I just covered up just disappeared. May need to use the cherry crayon for this little nick, but just for this demonstration, I'm going to use the pen only. I decided just to take a cloth and kind of blend it in a little bit while the marker was wet. I feel this is a step you really don't have to do. Wow, friends, it looks good. I can barely tell. Some of my hardwood already has indentations in it, so it blends beautifully. And that's it, friends. This is the end result after I mopped my hardwood floors. Wow, I could barely find where I made the little markers. These pens work beautifully. I will leave a link to these pens in the description box below, as well as some inexpensive feet pads that I ordered. Well, thanks again, friend, for watching. Until next time.